Hi friends, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. And sorry friends, I want to post the videos frequently, but unfortunately I had some work to do in this whole week, so I was not able to post any new videos. But today I have time, so I will post the video. And this reading will be what is their karma for hurting you. Okay, so the reading is what is their karma for hurting you. This is requested by one of the viewer. I get many emails. Then one of the topic is this one requested by the viewer. So let's see. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly helping me, motivating me to do the readings more and more. And welcome to new subscribers. I'm thankful to you all for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Then I love to read all your comments. Please comment, and if required, then I reply also. Then please feel free to contact me. My email ID also is given, and you can comment also. Then please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. So take it whatever resonates and leave the rest. That's all. Then without wasting much time, we will start the reading, and let us start the pile selection. What is their karma for hurting you? So this is pile 1 and this is yellow heart, and pile 2 this red heart. So we will see what is their karma, whoever the person is, maybe your crush or lover or ex, whatever it is. You are hurt by somebody, and what is their karma for hurting you? Let's see. Okay, let's start with pile number 1. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Let's see what is their karma for hurting you. What is their karma for hurting you? While I'm shuffling, I request you all to think about the person who hurt you. It can be your friend also. So please think about the person while I'm shuffling to get their energies involved in this. Okay, so let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is their karma for hurting you? My pile number 1. Five of stars, the sun, six of stars, six of suns, one of moons, ten of moons. Okay, so bottom of the deck it is five of spears. Okay, so let's see. So your person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Actually I can see all the signs here, but especially I can see Leo here with the sun card. And yeah, that's all our major sun sign. Okay, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn I said already, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, I can see all the signs, but Leo is very prominent here. So let's see. So this person is after hurting you, maybe this is the person who chose somebody else. Okay, they didn't choose you, they chose someone else. Okay, then now I can clearly see that these both people are like they are together, but they are suffering with the clashes, conflicts, and whatever they are not able to adjust together, I can say. They are not able to adjust together, and they are wounded, hurt. Okay, they are moving away from the society because of their conflicts and arguments, or discomforts and all. They are not mingling with anybody in the society, maybe friend circle, relatives. They are completely off. Maybe from social media also they are not posting much pictures right now, because they are I mean handling their own battles here. See, five of stars is there. That means they are definitely having a lot of fights, disagreements, and they are not submissive, and both are like kind of in this energy only. So now this person, actually they thought that the other person, whoever they chose, they are kind of their happiness, their sunshine. They and for some of you, they have a son also together. Okay, somebody I can see here, this is a love energy I can see. And I can see that they chose somebody, and they had some one son also I can see here. So earlier starting days, it was very very happy. They both were very happy and posted so many pictures, many things they posted. But right now they are not in that situation. Both are kind of now I can see that this person is relocating also. They are not in one place. They are going somewhere. Maybe they are traveling abroad, or they are moving from one place to another. They have a son also, and they are having some financial loss I can see. And because of that, they are relocating. Maybe they lost the job. For some of you I can see they lost the job also, and they are regretting. Actually, they want to come towards you, and they want to say sorry to you. They want to have a new beginning. Maybe this is just a friendship, but they are not doing that because they have a son. They are all tied up. Okay, they have a child. That is the reason they are not able to come towards you. They are completely tied up, and they want to, at least this time, they want a victory in this connection. With six of sons, they want a victory in this connection, at least now. And they want to have a new beginning here with ace of moons. They want to have a new beginning in your love life, and they are seeing, actually they are seeing a 10 of moons. That means 10 of cups with you. Even though they thought the other person is their sunshine, they are their happiness, but still they are, now they are regretting. They are they want to come out of this situation, and they want to have victory in this connection, and they want to have a new beginning. And they desire and dream of the 10 of cups energy. Okay, but everything is in their mind only right now, because they are not able to take any decision, because they have a son together, they have a child together. For some of you I can see. So that's all I can see here. Let me see if anything else, any messages are coming. Yeah, I can see pretty much the five of spears means they are having some, as I told you, conflicts, and some for some people this is health issues also. They are dealing with the health issues, and repeatedly I am getting a message that they are relocating. They will not be in one place now, so they will be relocating. Maybe because of this insults, they fight a lot. These two, whomever you are asking about, they and their partner, they fight a lot. So because of that, they will be moving everywhere. I mean, they will not stay in one place, and they will be roaming around. Okay, that is what their karma for hurting you. That's all I can see here, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If it resonated, please let me know. I love to read your comments. If it resonates, then I'll be more than happy to know. So please post in the comment section. So whatever you are feeling, if it is resonated, please let me know. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. So let's move on to pile number 2. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Okay, let's see what is their karma for hurting you. Whoever chose pile number 2, this red heart, what is their karma for hurting you? What is their karma for hurting you? What is their karma for hurting you? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some clarity. What is their karma for hurting my pile number 2? So let's see. The Fool, the Hermit, the World, all major arcanas, then Temperance, Nine of Suns, then 10 of Moons. Bottom of the deck we have 5 of Moons. Okay, so they are I can see you might be dealing with Aries or Virgo or Aquarius, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio. Then Sagittarius is strong here. Virgo is strong here. Then apart from that, I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, these are all the signs I can see here. So what is their karma for hurting you? Okay, 5 of Moons. They are in a very sad situation. They have everything in their hand. Whatever they want, they achieved, but still they are very sad, in deep regret. I can see everything is there, but only thing is there is no satisfaction or love or caring. So something is missing in their life. So they are very sad. It might be you, because we asked what is their karma for hurting you. So they don't have anybody, so to whom they can say this person is mine. That means they don't have any life partner. Okay, maybe they left you. For this pile, I feel that this person left you because of their family issues, or they left you because of the some financial issues or job relocation, something. Okay, they have left you. Maybe for some of you, they left you because of the third party situation, other person. Okay, so they become a fool now. So it clearly shows that they took a risk in their life, and now they are like a fool standing. Their decision is foolish. Now they feel, my whatever decision I have taken, this is foolish. Now they are in hermit mode. They are not doing anything now. They are simply sitting quietly and searching for soul searching, meditating. They are into deep contemplation. What happened? Why it happened? Okay, so they are completely away from the society. But they are keeping an eye on you. They are searching information for you. Maybe they are looking at social media, or they are asking to about you sorry, in front of your I mean, in between the mutual friends, they are asking. So they have completed one chapter now. Okay, they have completed world means they might be, this might be a long distance connection, and they might have left you. I mean, they left you maybe because they got job in a different state, city, country. Okay, so this is a completed world. That means they have completed one chapter in their life, and now they want balance in their life. Okay, temperance means they want balance in their life. Now it is unbalanced, so now they want to have balance in with you. Okay. With you they want some balance in your love life. Okay, so maybe it is a love or friendship. For some of you, I can see you both are friends actually. Your friend hurted you, betrayed you, cheated you. This can be love relationship also, or this can be general also, but one of your friend, they betrayed you, they cheated you. Okay, so now they want to have balance, they want to communicate with you, but they are not doing anything. They are just standing and waiting for you. They are tired of waiting now, and they want, they, for some of you, they are seeing you as a family. Okay, whoever is the friend, that friend might be very very close friend to you, like a family. Okay, so now this person want to have that earlier days, olden days, now they want it back. They're waiting for you. This nine of wands means they are in a waiting position. They are not taking any action, they are just simply waiting for you, that's all. They are tired, they are hurt, but they are at the same time, their guards are up. They are now defensive, I mean, they are not saying anything. Okay, simply they are waiting for you. So we can see here 9 and 10, the synchronicity is there. So 9 is twice, maybe 9 is important in your life. So that's all I can see. Pile number 2. Let me look at the cards once again. If I'm getting any other messages, I'll let you know. Okay, that's all I can see. I can see that this person want to build a palace with you. They want to build a legacy with you. And the earlier what they thought, like it is my life partner or something, maybe finance or maybe job, that became like now they are not interested in that thing anymore. That can be job or finance or any other person. So they are not interested in them anymore. They are simply isolated themselves, and they are sitting quiet, idle, and they are very very sad. I can see they are in very sad situation by betraying you or hurting you. This is what their karma for hurting you. That's all I have, friends. Whoever chose the pile red heart. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then see you in the next reading. Until then, bye.